The social auditing, it is done to every schemes, and the conduct of the social auditing, it continues, sir.
May I get a categorical uh, assurance from the government that CM himself can have a review of this whole approach of implementation of the mandate of this act? Yes, it was during the time when the Honorable Leader of Opposition was the Chief Minister. This particular act came into being in 2017. And yes, as mentioned, sir, this was a first time in the country that this kind of an act came up. So definitely it was a very impactful and a very meaningful step that was taken. And we are carrying forward that particular process. And as we have to do course correction in all the different schemes, we also have to do course correction within the auditing also, as mentioned by the Honorable LO. So there could be circumstances, instances where there could have been certain areas where the objective may not have been met as per the mandate of the Act and the rules. Hence, sir, definitely, I will review this personally. I will call a meeting of this particular scheme and this particular act and review this and ensure that whatever has to be done to make sure that this act has the impact, the desired outcome